You are sharing in the chat or on WhatsApp?
On WhatsApp, sir. The 16th question I have a doubt, sir.
Question number 16. Can you read the sentence you have doubt?
Okay, sir. Transfer of funds from account number 2 to account number 1 recorded by the bank on March 31st, 2017, but entered in cash book after the date for rupees 8,000.
After the date?
After the date for rupees 8,000.
There is no date written.
March 31st, 2017.
Okay.
So you want me to read the main question?
No, I will explain.
So I sent you the questions.
Okay. Actually, you sent it on the communication channel. They will send me, then I can able to see the question. Okay. Okay. So first thing, they transfer the balance from one account to another account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we are transferring the balance from one account to another, just 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the balance of cash book is given in beginning or passbook?
1 minute, sir. Cash book is given. Overdraft as per.
Overdraft as per
Cash book.
Okay. Okay. So overdraft as per cash book. Now, there is a overdraft means negative balance. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So overdraft as per cash book means negative balance as per cash book. Now, we are transferring from one account to another account. So these transactions are happening in bank, yes?
Yes, sir.
So which book will be affected, passbook or cash book?
Both of them will be affected.
No, not both of them. If the transfer is automatic, okay, then we maybe this situation can happen. Maybe we don't know about the transfer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it will affect our passbook only. First thing, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, in the question, it is said that if the bank has transferred the fund from one account to another account and we have recorded in passbook after the date, okay, after that date, yes?
No, sir, but entered in cash book after it is cash book.
Yes. The transaction on 31st March, okay, and we close our books on 31st March also. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, yes, now I have received the question.
The second question.
I have to rotate it. Just 1 minute. Okay, you have written from pen. Yes. Question number 16.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Raghav and company have two bank accounts. Okay, so there is two bank accounts. Now, you told me that transfer of funds from account number 2 to account number 1. So if bank is transferring the balance from one account to another account, they will pass the transaction in their passbook. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. In the past.
So it is already recorded in passbook.
Yes, sir.
But in cash book, it is entered after that date. After that date means after 31st March. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we are recording in cash book after 31st March, then there will be a difference because our books closed on closed our books on 31st March. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, so it is like we have recorded in passbook, but not cash. Okay.
Okay.
Understood or confused?
No, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay. So it is recorded in passbook, but not in cash book. Now we are preparing our bank reconciliation statement by taking the balance of cash. So we have to think like this: passbook. Okay. Which account we have prepared to bank account number 1 and account number 2 from the following particular account number 1. You can see here we are taking the particulars of account number 1. Yes. In second line of question.
1 minute, sir.
From the following particulars relating to account number 1, find out the balance on that account of March 31st, 2017, according to the cash book of the firm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So funds are transferred from account number 2 to account number 1. So it will increase or decrease in account number 1.
Account number 1, it will increase.
It will increase. So you can say in passbook, it will increase.
In cash book, it will decrease.
In cash book, we should also increase as per the concept. We should also increase, because if you want to make cash book equal to passbook, then you have to increase it to make equal. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, the balance of cash book is negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because it is overdraft balance. So if you add anything in overdraft or negative balance, then it will increase or decrease.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It will decrease, sir.
Yes. So that's why we have to decrease. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you are confused, then you can take your hands to help you. Okay. Like
Okay,
this, you have to assume the passbook and cash. Okay. This.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if let's say in this case, passbook increased, yes,
Yes, sir.
but cash book is there is no change in cash book.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do to make it equal?
We have to increase cash book.
We have to increase cash book, but the balance is negative. That's why we will decrease cash book.
Oh, okay, sir. So we can't decrease passbook.
No, because the balance we are using is cash book. So we have to do everything in cash book only.
Okay, sir. But we have to make it equal.
Yes, we have to make it equal. You can see in the first line, cash book balance is given.
Yes, sir.
Where have you seen the cash book balance?
Wait, sir.
You
No,
told
sir.
me that overdraft balance as per cash book is given.
No, sir. There is no cash book balance.
But in the beginning, you told me that
Oh, that I'm reading from my
yes, this
notebook.
overdraft as per cash book. I have
No,
written.
sir. In the sixth question, there is overdraft as per passbook, sir.
So in this question, which balance is given?
It does not give any balance, sir. It just give overdraft as per passbook.
It cannot be like this. There will be some balance. Okay, let me read the question. Raghavan Company have two bank accounts, account number 1 and account number 2. From the following particulars relating to account number 1, find out the balance on that account of March 31st, 2017, according to the cash book of the firm. Checks paid into bank prior to March 31st, 2017, but not credited for rupees 10,000. Transfer of funds from account number 2, this we have already discussed. Check issued prior to March 31st, 2017, but not presented until after that date for 7,429. Bank charge debited by bank not entered in the cash for 200. Interest debited by the bank not entered in the cash 580. Yes. The point number 6.
Yes, sir.
What is written?
Overdraft as per passbook, sir.
Overdraft as per passbook. So the passbook balance is given in the question, not cash.
Yes, sir.
Now, if the passbook balance is given, then the situation will change.
It will plus.
Now, let's take this example again. Passbook, cash book. We have increased our passbook. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. To make it equal, we have to
Yes.
decrease our
Decrease
passbook.
our passbook.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
But the balance is negative, so we will increase.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So whatever
Yes.
the result is, first you have to see that where the impact is and what is the impact. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So step 1 is where the impact is on cash book or passbook. Then you have to see it is increasing. It has increased or decreased. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, according to this increase and decrease, you have to make sure that both balance are equal. Okay. And you have to change only that balance that is given in the question as opening balance.
Okay, sir.
So in this question, passbook balance is given. So you can change only the passbook balance, not cash.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The first impact can be anywhere on passbook or cash book. But the second and third impact we have to do is only on the balance given in the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in first case, you can see here in the question, read the first sentence in this question, the first transaction.
Oh, check paid into bank prior to March 31st, 2017, but not credited for rupees 10,000.
Okay, now I'm using my hands. Just tell me what is the first impact. Okay, this is passbook, this is cash.
Okay, passbook increases.
Passbook increases.
1 minute, sir. Let me read the question.
Yes.
No, sir. Passbook is not increases because it's not credited.
Okay, I cannot hold it for longer time. It will pain.
Okay, okay, sir.
Tell me.
Check paid into bank but not credited. Okay. Check. Check.
What
Cash
happens?
book increases.
Okay, yes, cash book increases. Very good. So cash book will increase.
Yes, sir. To make it equal, we will increase passbook also.
Yes, because the balance of passbook is given. That's why we are increasing passbook. But let's say if cash book balance will be given, then
we increase cash. Then we decrease cash book.
yes, then we decrease cash book. Okay. So in this question, we will increase our passbook. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But the balance is negative, means overdraft. That's why we will decrease it. Okay.
So we won't write it. We will write it in the minus column.
We will write it in the decrease column. Yes, less column.
Okay, sir.
Should I prepare a question?
Yes, sir.
This question or any other question?
This question, sir.
Okay. Question number 16 in my book. It is given or not? No, it is not given. Okay, so I will prepare from here. Now you can prepare the question by two methods. The first one is you can take it as a debit and credit balance, means plus or minus figure, but I'm doing it differently. I'm taking two amount column, one for calculation purpose and one for final amount. Now, first of all, I will write the opening balance that is given here, overdraft as per passbook. Okay, so first thing is given overdraft as per passbook 18,990. So I will write here debit balance as per passbook or overdraft balance as per passbook. $18,990. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the second thing is check. Yes, first transaction. Now check paid into bank prior to March 31st, 2017, but not credited for 10,000. So we have deposited the check, so it will increase our cash book. Okay, but we are using the passbook balance, so we will increase our passbook. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But the balance is negative, so it will be written in less column. Is this clear? Check deposited but not clear. The amount is 10,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next is transfer of funds from account number 2 to account number 1 recorded by the bank on March 31st, 2017, but not entered in cash book or entered in cash book after that date for 8,000. So our passbook has increased, okay, and cash book balance is same. So we have to decrease our passbook balance. Yes,
Yes, sir.
but the balance is negative, so we will write it in add column. Yes.
It's negative, so we add it in the add
Yes.
column.
Yes. Because due to negative balance, the impact will change. Let's say the balance is negative. This, yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, if we have to add anything, then due to this combination, it will become minus. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if we have to minus something, then due to these two combination, it will become plus.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
the result was we have to increase, but the balance is negative. That's why we have to decrease our check deposited. And in the same manner, the transfer from self account should be decreased here, but the balance is negative. That's why it is added here, 8,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing is check issued prior to March 31st, 2017, but not presented until that date for 7,429. Okay, just one. Okay, so the next is check issued prior to March 31st, 2017, but not presented until after that date for 7,420. Now, if we issue the check, then the impact will be on cash book.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because we are issuing check, so we will record it in our cash book. Now, increase or decrease in cash book?
Increase or decrease? Increase.
If we issue our check, then the balance of cash book will increase or decrease.
It will increase, sir.
Sorry, it will decrease.
How, sir?
Okay. So check issued means you are giving check to someone.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. We are giving money. Okay, sir.
Yes, we are giving check to someone, then they will withdraw money from our bank account. So it will decrease our cash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we are issuing check, then it will decrease our cash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to also decrease our passbook.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. And the balance is negative. So we will add it. Is it clear? $7,429. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next is bank charge debited by bank not entered in the cash book for 2.
We won't record it, sir.
Okay, bank charge is debited by bank, means it is recorded in past,
Yes, sir.
and passbook is decreased.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if passbook is decreased, then we have to increase it to make it equal. Passbook, cash book, okay? And bank charge debited means it is deducted by the bank. So passbook will decrease.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to increase our passbook.
Okay, sir.
So if we are increasing and the balance is negative, then result will be negative. So it will decrease. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So bank charge debited. How much? 200. Again, interest debited by the bank not entered in the cash book, 580. So same thing, bank charge debited or interest debited, both are deducted from the passbook. So interest debited by bank, 580. Is there any other transaction? No. Now there is no other transaction here. So we will add these two. We will add these three. It will be 15,420, and this will be 10,780. Okay. Now we have to add this one and we have to deduct this one. So 18,990 and 15. It will be 34,300. 400. $490, and then we will decrease it, so it will become 23,000. Six 23,639. So this is our credit balance as per cash. Is this clear?
Yes.
So tell me, your confusion is clear now, or you have some doubt yet?
Sir, the one minute.
Yes.
The fourth transactions.
Fourth transaction. Okay.
You said it is increased.
Yes.
So shouldn't we add it?
Okay. Tell me that bank charge is debited, so it will impact our cash book or passbook.
It will impact our passbooks.
Now, if it will impact our passbook, then it will increase or decrease passbook.
It is debited, so it will increase.
It will decrease passbook.
Yes, decrease.
Okay, so passbook will decrease. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's take a different balance. Like our cash book is also 10,000 and our passbook is also 10,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, which balance we are using?
Passbook balance.
This one. And impact is also on this passbook.
Yes, sir.
So it has become 9,800.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But the cash book balance remains same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if cash book remains same, then what should we do here? Plus 200 so that it will become equal to the cash book.
Yes, sir.
So it will become 10,000. This is the simple solution.
Yes, sir.
What you are thinking right now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, overdraft balance means negative balance. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So it means minus, minus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if 10,000 here minus 200, then it will become plus or not?
10,000.
This is minus 10,000. This is minus 200.
Yes, sir.
So minus, minus, plus.
Yes, sir.
So now it will become 10,200. Yes or no?
Yes.
And there is no change in cash book balance?
No change in cash balance.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if this is minus 10,200, then what will you do so that it will become 10,000?
We have to minus 200.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then it will become 10,000.
Yes, sir.
So that's what we are doing here. Minus, sorry, where is our, this you can see bank charge.
Yes, sir.
Because the balance is negative. Okay, so the impact, whatever we think, the impact will just opposite of that.
Yes.
Okay, so whatever we think should be added will be deducted. Whatever we think should be deducted will be added. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So that's why I explained it like this. I'm repeating this. Cash book, passbook. The bank has debited, bank has deducted the bank charge. So passbook has decreased. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we have to
Increase passbook.
increase passbook. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir. But
It means
the balance
add
is negative.
the passbook.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the balance is negative, minus. So minus plus.
We have to minus it, sir.
Yes. So minus plus, it will be minus.
So we will put it in the less.
Decrease it. Yes. Less. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is there any other doubt you have?
No, sir. It's
Okay.
clear.
So how many questions have you solved?
I solved 5 of my textbook questions.
5.
Simple
So,
ones.
all the question was negative balance?
No, sir. No, sir. Only this question and one more question was negative balance.
And why have you written this plus minus sign in your book?
No, because I tried something, sir. I could not do it, so I left it.
No, I know that you have tried, but why on book you are writing plus minus?
Because simply, sir, simply to see if I understand the question, sir.
So do it in your notebook then.
I don't want to destroy my notebook by making a lot of corrections, sir.
Means you want to make your notebook clean.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, but then when you go for revision purpose, okay, so you will see answer. It is written here already plus minus, so you will not be able to practice more question.
No, sir, this is my first time opening the textbook to do some things.
Okay, so after solving the question, erase this so that
Okay,
it
sir.
will help you in future also.
Okay, sir. They are wrong, sir, anyways.
No, wrong. Then when you revise the question, you will not remember that this is wrong. Okay, and on the basis of this plus minus, you will solve question and it will be incorrect.
Okay, sir.
So you will get confused.
Okay, sir.
So that's why I am saying that you don't write answer on your book, so that when you again trying to solve the question, then you will not know the answer, or you will not create problem in your notebook, because this will impact your thinking process.
I can ask you again, sir.
Yes, you can ask me again and again for any number of time.
Okay, sir.
You want to ask anything right now?
No, sir. It is very clear.
Okay, so everything is clear. Now you have solved question for debit balance as per cash book, credit balance as per cash book, debit balance as per passbook, and credit balance as per passbook. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You have solved all four balances question or not? Let
All
check
these
the
four.
questions that you have solved.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, almost every question.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have done only 5 questions, but you reached at question number 16. How?
No, sir. No, sir. I only did two questions. One question from unfavorable balance and two questions from favorable, something like that, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 2
questions.
questions from favorable balance, 2 questions for unfavorable balance.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay.
I
So
also did passbook and cash book differently, sir.
cash book and passbook difference.
Balance, nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Actually, that's why we prepare bank reconciliation statement, to know the reason behind it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay. Now, there is one more concept in this chapter, apart from this balance given in the question. You have to understand that adjusted cash balance. Okay. Sometimes question will give you some incorrect information that is done in our cash. Okay. I told you in the beginning that generally bank do not enter the incorrect details in passbook. Yes.
Yes.
So the now the only book left with incorrect entries is cash book, because there is no incorrect entry in passbook. So there can be incorrect entry in cash book only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if we are doing incorrect entries in cash book, then it will impact our
Cash book.
balance. There will be some difference in cash book and passbook balance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if let's say if we are doing bank reconciliation statement with incorrect balance, then our bank reconciliation statement is also incorrect. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's say in cash book, we have entered a transaction, check issued 5,000, and we have entered this transaction 2 times in our cash book. Then while preparing bank reconciliation statement, okay, if there is some error in cash book, then we cannot prepare the bank reconciliation statement with the balance given as per cash book. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because that is not a correct balance. So before preparing bank reconciliation statement, we need to correct our cash book balance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if there is some problem, some errors in our cash, then how we will correct it?
We will minus it.
Okay, there may be different type of errors. Like, let's say there is a less amount written on the debit side. Then
We will increase the cash book, sir.
if there is less amount on the debit side of cash book, then what will be the impact on the balance?
It will be less.
Yes, it is less, so we have to increase it. So we will write something on the debit side. Yes,
Yes, sir.
write the entry on debit side with the same amount.
Yes, sir. The same amount.
Very good. Now there can be second wrong entry, same on the credit side. So there will be same treatment. Yes. So if less amount on the credit side, then we will write the entry on credit side with the same amount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what if a higher amount we have written? Higher amount on the debit or credit side?
We will decrease it, sir. I mean, decrease cash book.
No, we cannot decrease the balance. Okay. We cannot cut the entries, because to decrease the balance, if we have written, let's say, if we have written instead of 500, we have written 800 here to sorry, buy whatever. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So instead of 500, we have written 800. To decrease the balance, we have to do like this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like just now you told me that you don't want to cut on your notebook. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You don't want to destroy it. So in the same manner, accountant of company think like this. Okay, they also don't want to destroy their accounting books. They don't want to make cuts on their accounting books. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
So
what
they
should
will create a new box.
create a new box
Yes, sir.
and
And deduct it there.
deduct it there. How to deduct the balance?
Do the whole entry and just rearrange. No, sir, no, sir.
Okay.
Write it
So
in a new page.
if you pass the entry with correct amount, pass entry with correct amount, then how this will impact the previous balance?
It won't impact the previous balance.
Yes, so if it will not impact our previous balance, then there will be no correct balance in our book. Because let's say you have written 500 on the credit side again. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this 800 balance is still existing in the credit side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now the total will become
500.
1300. 800 is already existing on the credit side, and 500 you already you now again written on the credit side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will become
Not 1300. Sir.
okay. So how much it will become?
No, sir. It is 1300, sir.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir. It's wrong, sir.
So what should we do?
We have to detect it somehow, sir.
Yes, we have to deduct it somehow. So in for deduction in account, we have to write the excess amount on the debit side.
Okay, sir.
Now it will become 500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
800 minus 300, 500. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for higher amount, what we have to do, we write the excess amount on the opposite side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you write the excess amount on the opposite side, it will become correct.
Okay, sir.
So this is our second incorrect entry and their treatment. Now the third one. So we have done less amount, we have done higher amount. Now the third one. Incorrect side. Incorrect side. Now, if let's say we have to write something on the credit side, here we should write the amount, but by mistake we have written on the debit side with 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's say there is a opening balance PD 5,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if we have written it correctly, the amount 500, if we have written it correctly, how much our balance will be?
5,500.
5,500. If we have written our balance correctly, then the amount will be on the credit side, this 500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what will be our balance then?
With 5,000, sir. Okay. Oh, okay.
Tell me.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 4,500, sir.
4,500. This is our correct balance because
Yes, sir.
this is correct one. But
Yes, sir.
what we have done, the incorrect entry.
It is in the wrong side.
So we have written this 500 on the debit side.
Yes, sir.
To whatever 500. So it becomes 5,500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So balance will also become 5,500. But this is incorrect. Now, how to correct this type of wrong
Add a
entry?
here 500.
No, we will write twice the incorrect amount on the correct side. Twice the incorrect amount means we have to write here 1,000. 500 for correct entry, yes, and 500 for incorrect entry. So total 1,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, if we deduct 1,000 from 5,500, it will become 4,500. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is our incorrect entries in cash book. So we should know that how to correct incorrect entries.
Okay.
Okay. So this is our incorrect entries, and we will solve a question related with this topic so that you will understand it better. Now, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Can you show me? Can you scroll up so I can write it down?
Yes. This is